In this tutorial today, we'll be discussing on how to withdraw funds from your Bybit exchange to any exchange of interest. This topic of discussion today is in continuation of our Bybit tutorial series. Which, as you can see from our channel Wealth Alert, we have been discussing over the past few weeks, commencing with our Bybit interface for beginners and how to buy your crypto, how to sell, how to copy wallet address. If you know you are still having issues with these issues being discussed, kindly do well to watch these tutorials, though I'll still drop the link on the description box. But kindly do well to watch these tutorials to get yourself fully informed and equipped, because these videos are well detailed explained and they'll give you a good guide on how to carry out trading on Bybit most effectively. With this being said, I welcome you to my channel Wealth Alert, where I remain your great guide into making money through simplified tutorials on how to navigate the crypto space and how to manage and use your different exchanges on the crypto space. With that being said, I urge you all to kindly give me a subscribe icon and also to like this video and share it so that this video will have more publicity and YouTube can share this video to others to watch. So with that being said, we'll delve into our topic for today. For us to carry out, the first thing we need to do is to click on our assets section on our Bybit exchange. We're on our assets section. So all we need to do is to ensure that to carry out a successful withdrawal, you ensure that you either have funds on your spot or funding wallet. Peradventure, all your funds are in your derivative or on your other wallet, that is your USDC. You have to move those funds back to your spot or to your funding, and you move those funds using your transfer icon, which we've discussed earlier in our other tutorials. So our topic for today is basically on how to withdraw funds. So all we need to do is to click on this withdraw icon, which has opened up. So the next thing you need to do, you need to select the crypto that you want to withdraw. That is all the cryptos that you have in your wallet. You click on it and select. So for today's tutorial, we are going to be transferring our USDT. So what we need to do now is to click on our USDT. It opens up. So it shows you the on the chain and the internal transfer. You use internal transfer when you are transferring funds from one Bybit exchange to another Bybit exchange. I hope and I believe I'm fully understood. You only use this when you are transferring funds from one Bybit exchange to another exchange. But when you are moving funds from your Bybit exchange to other exchanges, you use the on the chain transfer. So what is required now is for us to input our wallet address. We'll select our network, the amount we are withdrawing, then we can now send. You can see you either select either your spot or your funding wallet to move the funds that you want to transfer. So at this juncture, you will now need to copy the wallet address that we need to send these funds to. If you are sending to your own particular other exchange address, like for me, we'll now go to our Binance exchange, where I'm to click still on this my wallet session here. For those that are having issues on Binance, we still have a tutorial on Binance on our channel. We'll now go here and click on our wallet. We'll now click on deposit. We'll click on deposit to also copy the wallet address in which we will now move the funds. So now I'm copying the wallet address. And since we are sending USDT, so I'm copying the USDT wallet address. And I always prefer using my BIP20 address network for my transfer. So I'll click on BIP20. So we can now see here is our wallet address. So we'll click on this icon to copy. So I'm copying my wallet address, then I'm going back to my Bybit exchange to paste the wallet address here. Then I select the same network that I copied there. Then I now put in my amount, select, then I can now withdraw. You can see it's very simple. So they carry out the process. So I'm now pasting my wallet at the address that I copied. You can see I've pasted it. You can see the wallet address I copied has been pasted. So next I will click here to select my network. So I'm clicking here. You remember I copied BIP20 wallet address, network wallet address. So I'm going to select the same network because you can see they say make sure that the chain type you make deposit to is the one you make withdrawals from. So now I'm clicking my BIP20 because that is where I copied there to receive the deposit. So I'm going to put in the amount, and also take note on each exchange they tell you minimum amount you can withdraw. So the minimum withdrawable amount here is 10. So I'll put in 20. I want to withdraw 20. Then I have funds on my spot. Peradventure you don't have funds on your spot, you just click on your funding and then you are good to go. It's already on my spot. I have funds there. So I'll now click on this withdraw. I'll now click on withdraw. I've clicked on it. So it now requires a verification because definitely each exchange puts up security verification method to ensure that accounts and withdrawals are not being done by external persons. So I'll now have to confirm to proceed with my security verification. I'm confirming. You may not be able to see, so it now tells me okay. So I'm now waiting. So it now tells me withdrawal application submitted. So they said in process. Please head to the asset page to check your status. So I now click on OK, or I click on view withdrawal history. So you can now see that withdrawal in progress. So we just give it a little time. Before you know, we have to now go back to our Binance to confirm that we've received our withdrawal. So we are now back to our Binance page. It now shows us that deposit in process. So meaning Binance is already notified that a deposit is about to be received. So you click on it, you now see it's confirming the 20 USDT, and shortly, within the shortest time, you now see it has been confirmed. You can now see that withdrawing funds from your Bybit exchange is very easy. So in summary of what we've discussed today, for the main topic, for us not to digress, just on how to withdraw funds. But before I proceed with the summary, I believe that if you've been watching me to this point, you are gaining value from my tutorials. So I'll say kindly urge you, if you are new to my channel, to kindly click on the subscribe button and like our video and drop your comments in the comment section. Any question that you need to ask or any clarification, you can also drop an appreciation to what you are watching. So in summary of our tutorials today, you click on your withdraw icon. It opens up. You now select your funds, the crypto you want to send. After you select your crypto you want to send, once that page also opens up, you paste the wallet address you've copied earlier. After pasting your wallet address, you select the network in which the receiving wallet. You select your network, you put in your amount, then you withdraw. So that is how it's easy and very accessible to carry out withdrawal from your Bybit exchange. And in the same way, if you want to receive funds, all you need to do is also to copy your own wallet address from your Bybit exchange and go to the source or whoever is sending you to fund you. So I believe with this simple and short tutorial that you fully understand how to carry out a withdrawal process on your Bybit exchange. Watch out for my next video on where we discuss how to start our first trading on our Bybit exchange. Now we've discussed on things we need to know on our Bybit. So now we'll now go into delve fully on how to start earning and making different money making transactions on our Bybit exchange. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye for now.